Charlie. She's gonna chew that up. Hey, want a toy? Want the whole bag? Want the whole bag again? I like when you're dragging the bag around like a little turd. Hi. Look, tickle. Hi. She's a lot more confident when her brother's by her. She don't like when JJ's in there. Let him out. You're not going to drag it? There's your brother. Is that the brother? Oh, it's the brother. Get him, Charlie. Get him. Oh, you got the bag? Where you going with that bag? Where you going with that bag, girl? Girl? JJ, watch out. Be nice. JJ, be nice. Okay, girl. Get him. Tell him. Oh, this is my bag, brother. Hi, stinky butt. What are you doing, my pretty girl? Look at JJ acting crazy. Aw, woo, woo. Yeah, mamas. That's your brother. He's being crazy right now.